It's Neil from Exterior Clean Melbourne and Clean here, just showing you a before here of this brickwork. As you can see, is significant moss and a lot of algae and lichen build up. Not lichen, sorry, it's just mould actually. It's actually just massive amounts of mould. Now, this is because this is one of the entrances. It's becoming very slippery through here, so it's creating a hazard for the customer and also for any guests that come and visit them. You can see where it's like here. So basically the process here is we're going to what we call soft wash or chemical wash first. Just lay down some chemical to kill this mold. So it's always a problem when you do these kinds of jobs where there isn't sufficient drainage. This is the only drain that they have, and that's always a problem in terms of where does the water go, and this is partly why they're experiencing a lot of issues around this particular area. As you can see, the water will be sitting in this area continuously, which is why it's creating the hazard, so to speak. Okay, these are the finished results. Have a look. It's come back really good. Big issues here, as I think we originally discussed, around drainage, which is why the problem originated. So you can see all that mold and dirt is gone. I've actually had to use the blower to to get rid of a lot of the water, because even with my pressure washer I couldn't flick the water off. So anyway, but the bricks look really nice, and love that kind of pastel-y kind of, it's very beautiful pastel look. And that's come up pretty good too. A little bit more problematic in this area because they don't have any grout in between the bricks, so they're just laid on the earth, which isn't a great idea. So okay, well anyway, that's the results, and I think at the end of the day they've got no issues with it being slippery anymore, and that was the fundamental reason why they had it done. So if we can help you with something like this or any other exterior cleaning requirements, have a look at our website. You'll see a full range of services that we do, and give us a call. Happy to help you. Take care. Thanks for watching.